Talk about, besides vouchers, the special session focusing on two other topics. Let's move to hurricane relief and immigration. Olivia, we appreciate you reporting. That wide array of topics has drawn lots of criticism from several lawmakers.
Democratic Representative Bo Mitchell from Nashville points to Hurricane Helene aid. He asks why, more than 4 months after the storm slammed parts of East Tennessee, lawmakers are addressing the need for aid now.
There is no sense in these people waiting 4 months for this. $273 million in 11 days, and 4 months, and we can't even match that.
FEMA's website says that by the end of December, it had approved more than $24 million in federal funding. Now, we've asked FEMA this morning how much money it has spent on Helene recovery in that time. We've yet to hear back.